So this is the question. Just read the question. Find the moment of inertia of a T section with planes as 150 into 150 into 50 mm and wave as 150 into 50 mm. So friends, एठी हमर T section रो planes रो dimension जहा wave रो dimension सेया and the dimension is 150 into 50. All dimensions are in millimeter. So now I am drawing the T section. You see, so this is the figure. We have to find moment of inertia about x axis and y axis passing through the CG of the section. So now see, very interesting question. A question को solve कले हमें सब type रो question को solve कर पाइबा. So have a look. Let this is the section, T section, right? And the dimensions already से कही सी कहते ना 150 into 50, right? That means एटा हमारा 50, this length is 50 and this length is 150. Both wave and planes. So ऊपरटा planes, तलटा wave. So 150 into 50. Here also this length is 150. 150 means 150 mm. Remember. And this is 50 already. So now I will split the total section into two rectangles. So this is, let's say, section 1 and this is section 2. So this is the first method. First we will divide the total T section into two equal divisions or two equal rectangles. So here the question is to find moment of inertia of this T section about x and y axis, and the x and y axis are passing through the center of the T section, right? So centroid कोठी हम तो जानिनु. First we have to find or locate the centroid. Then exactly say centroid ही कौन हो ना x and y axis pass करिबो. Then we can find the mi about x and y axis. So CG को locate करिया पई आमे false बा temporary axis choose करिबा. Then axis को shift करिबा centroid को, right? So first I will choose here. Already मु कहथिली CG बेले जेते बेले आमे first will check for symmetry. एटा symmetric अछि कि नाही. Symmetric about x axis check करिबा. Clearly x axis मझिरे गले तळ ऊपर समान होबनी. So it is not symmetric to x axis. सेतपय मु x axis टा कोड नेली तळ नेली. Remember, this is not the centroidal axis. एटा मु CG locate करिया पय reference axis नु x axis. And just have a look, y axis को मझिरे रखिले equally divide होछि. So that means the T section is symmetric to y axis. So now pass y axis here. This is y axis, right? So you know, when a section or a composite section is symmetric about certain axis, the center of gravity will lie on that axis. That means एठी y axis symmetric हे गला. So center of gravity कोठ रहला y axis ऊपर ही रहइबो. But को जगह रे रहइबो we don't know. That is to be found out. So suppose एटा ही हमरा g जोटा एक center of gravity है. Let us consider. हमें जानि. So this is the centroid of the T section which we have to find. So first, you know, this is G2, centroid of section 2, and our मझिरे रहला G1 which is the centroid of section 1. So friends, हमको already you know the formula. Centroid पाया पे एटी already जेहेतु symmetric about y axis अछि मु x bar equal to 0 directly लेखुछि. We no need to find x bar. So directly a1 केते बार करो. a1 equal to 150 into 50. 150 into 50. So this is 7500 millimeter square. And what is a2? Area of section 2. Again 150 into 50. Same value. So already मु previous class रे or the last class रे मु कहितली जेतले एरिया समान हेउची हमके इजी हे जाउची कैलकुलेट करबा CG. So here y1 केते देखो, reference axis bottom रे अछि x axis. So y1 distance केते? If this is 150, this distance will be exactly half, so 75. y1 equal to 75 millimeter. And what is y2? Means center of gravity of section 2 रो y distance केते? This is 150 plus 8 to etika 50 तार आधार 25. So 150 plus 50 by 2 or 25. So this is 175 millimeter. So what is now y bar? Y bar will be a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2, and the value will be, after calculation you will find the value. This is 175 plus 75 divided by 2. So this is 250 by 200 mm. 175 plus 25, 200 plus 50, 250 by 2, sorry, this is 125 mm y bar. So friends, bottom ru G raw y coordinate, now we got how much now? Y 125 millimeters. So now we can shift this x axis to this particular point, because question रही हमको बाहर करिया पड़िबो कि mi about x and y axis, and both x and y axis are passing through the CG. So now I can erase this x axis जोटा कि मु केवल बाहर करैथिली बनैथिली to find the CG or locate the CG. Already I have located. So what is this distance? This distance is 125 mm. Right? Already we have found the CG, y value of the CG from this formula. So now we can find the moment of inertia about both x and y axis. So first about x axis हम बात करेगा. Mi of the t section about x axis. Mi of t section about x axis. Mi about x axis. So for that we will find a moment of inertia for section 1 about x axis, for section 2 about x axis. And friends, एटी देखो भलो भाबरे कि this x axis जदियो central axis for t section, section 1 रो symmetric central axis नुहे बा section 2 रो central axis नुहे, काहे कि ना g1 दे की पास करूनी कि g2 दे पास करूनी. So parallel axis theorem we have to use. So for section 1 you know I हम बाहर करिबा I one x हम तक दोची parallel axis theorem use होबो. This is I1g plus A1 h1 bar square. So what is I1g? I1g value केते होबो? I1g BD की by 12 देखो x axis को parallel. I1g means section 1 रो mi about central axis. So this is BD की by 12. So B केते 50, D केते always एटा हला base माने horizontal length and depth हला 150. So this is 50 into 150 the area into what is the height? Height means, so you know h means the distance of centroid from non-centroidal axis. Centroid हला g1 section 1 रो. So this distance, a distance बोल बाबू मार्क करो, this distance. So the area 50 into 150 and h bar means so this length what I have told. So एतिको हला 125, एतिको 125 and a length केते ना तार अधा केते एटा 75. So हम केते लिखिबि ताहले h bar जगह रे ना 125 minus 125 means this length minus 850 length 75 the square. So our direct formula अछि तमे मन रखि परिबो जेतोला आमे I1 x बार करछे एठी y minus y1 बार रो स्क्वायर. y केते y हला 125, y1 केते y1 हला 75. So एमिति भी मन रखि परिबो y minus y1 section 2 बार कला को y minus y2, right? So r square. So finally the value you will find the moment of inertia value you will find 14. So the moment of inertia for section 2, this is 1 minute, this is about x axis 32.8125 into 10 to the power 6 millimeter. So this is mi of section 1 about x axis. Now we will find mi of section 2 about x axis. This is equal to, again the same formula I will put, I2g plus A2 h bar square h2 bar square. So I2G means BDQ by 12. So B is 150 into D means depth 50 power 3 divided by 12. Area is again same, that is 7500 into H2. Already I have told y minus y2 put कर परिबो formula मन रखा y minus y1 x bar कला बेले h1 बार कला बेले x axis पई आ y minus y2 रहइबो जेतला हम सेक्शन 2 रो बाहर करथवा बा मु जदी हमें जीवा कांसेप्ट रू सो a2 एतिक लेंथ माने सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस रू सेंट्रोइड पर्यंत लेंथ दिस डिस्टेंस सो ए डिस्टेंस केते हमर सो यू सी a2 एतक डिस्टेंस केते हमर ना 150 plus 25 175 minus 125 right a distance so a2 ethical distance 175 plus a2 ethical 125 so this will be 175 minus 125 and the final value we will get this value is 20.3125 into 10 power 6 millimeter fourth. So for T section, total moment of inertia about x-axis will be just algebraic sum of the two. So I1xx plus I2xx. And after adding these two value, we get the total moment of inertia about x-axis 53.125 into 10 power 6 millimeter power. Right? So now we will find moment of inertia about y-axis. This is about x-axis. Y-axis टा simple काहे कि ना एठी y-axis टा हमर centroidal axis. So parallel axis theorem use करिया दरकार ही नहीं. So mi about y-axis. केमि बाहर करिबा ना section 1 रो mi about y-axis plus section 2 रो mi about y-axis. So this is I1 or Iyy equal to हम लिख लेते ना I1yy plus I2yy. And what is I1yy? Already derive ହେଇଛି x axis रे BDQ by 12, y axis रे DBQ by 12, right? So D means section 1 रो D हला 150, B हला 50. So DBQ by 12. So 150 into 50q divided by 12, DBQ by 12. आप parallel axis theorem दरकार नहीं because this is centroidal axis, y axis टा. So 150 into 50q by 12 plus section 2 by d के तेना 50 and db by 12 so 50 into 150 power 3 divided by 12 so d1 b1 q by 12 plus d2 b2 q by 12 and finally we will find the value total value about y axis 15.625 into 10 power 6 millimeter. Right? So now we have found the mi of this T section about x-axis and about y-axis. I think you have understood this. So this is all about your today's class about CG and mi. We have completed all the theory part. Next class रे हमें देखिबा कौन next class रे हमें देखिबा कि आर कौन सब other examples अच्छी other questions अच्छी जो questions already exam रे आसी सारी so that problem we will solve number of problems हमें solve करिबा and you will also practice those questions right so till then thank you.